What do you have?
A bit of ice cream.
What are they?
Wait, bars. You want to try them?
No, I'm not hungry.
Why not? Then I eat them.
Don't move off that counter,
Why?
because I don't want you to fall.
Why?
What are you looking for?
Do you need a chair to rescue me?
Yes. Want me to rescue you?
No.
What kind of snack are you going to have?
I'm not rescued. What I do see?
Cooper climbs up on the cabinet. Hurry up and pick a snack.
There you go.
I don't want a snack.
Okay.
What are you going to have?
What do I want? What do you want?
Well, I don't really want a snack, but you want me to hold those?
You don't want these?
I don't want anything.
Why?
What would you like?
I want to take you down. I want to take you down.
What are you going to do with them?
Put them down.
Why don't you put them back?
One at a time.
Okay.
They'll come.
Aren't you going to put those ones back?
They'll come down.
Where do they go?
One. What do you want?
I like those ones.
What? What do you want?
Which one do you want to give me?
You want this? You want this one?
Okay. Thank you.
They'll come down.
You want to come down? Say hi to the camera.
Hey, look at those.
What is it?
Stickers.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
I'm taping you. I'm making a video.
Why are you making a video?
Look at me.
You want a brick one?
Yeah. Listen. Tell the camera,
Tell the grandma.
what is your name?
Cooper.
How old are you?
2.
2? Are you going to be 3 soon?
Yeah.
When are you going to be 3?
3.
In October. Can you say October?
October.
That's your birthday in October.
Where's my cake?
We'll make you a cake. You want to blow candles out?
Yes. I don't have candles.
I'll get you candles for your birthday.
I don't. I have spy candles.
Spy candles?
Yeah.
What's that?
I can't get way up behind in the ear.
Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye, grandma.
Will you say I love you, Mama?
Love you, Mama.
I love you too.
I love you too.
Thank you.
I can't get down the